Right. So this is a new chapter now. And we said we are going to talk about something that is extremely critical to large language models. And we said we are going to get into the attention mechanism. If you have heard anything about large language models, you probably have heard, or let me say, yeah, or transformers, you probably heard that they have this mechanism called the self-attention or multi-head attention and all of that. That's what we are going to get into in this chapter. We're going to focus the whole chapter on just discussing the attention mechanism. The way we are going to do it is we are going to start off with a very simplified version. We will start off with a simplified version, just like we did last in the previous chapters. We start off with very simplified version of the attention mechanism, just to understand understand a bit of what happens. And then from there, we'll build on it and we'll talk about something called self attention. Self attention. And then after that, we'll get into causal attention. Causal attention. And lastly, we will talk about multi head attention. Multi head attention mechanism. So this is just a simplified version. And this self attention, when we get to self attention, we're going to see some trainable weights because it's a neural network, right? So it's definitely going to have some trainable weights, which are optimized during training. And then when you get on top, when you get to the causal one, we are going to see how this causal is used in LLMs to allow the model to consider only previous and current inputs. So this one, right, previous and current inputs in a sequence, um, giving the model that temporal order, or yeah, a way for it to figure out temporal order. And then in multi-head attention, this will now be an extension of self-attention and causal attention, which enables the model to simultaneously attend to information from different representation spaces. So here we have different subspaces. So it will attend to information from different subspaces like that. They will build on top of each other from the simplified version to self-attention, from self-attention to causal attention, from causal attention to multi-head attention. So let's see how this critical part of LLMs is, how it works mechanically, and then we'll build on top of that. So see you in the next video when we start this section.